Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I am going to talk about Microsoft Outlook, and it will be a complete tutorial for you guys. If you are beginner or if you are expert, this may be a perfect video for you to know more about Microsoft Outlook. So in this video I am going to talk about how to use Microsoft Outlook until the 2025. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. First of all, you need to understand what is Microsoft Output or Outlook. So Microsoft Outlook in 2025 is more powerful and user friendly than ever, combining email, calendar, tasks, contacts and AI powered tools in one clean interface. This step-by-step tutorial will walk you through everything you need to get started. Perfect for personal use, office professionals and students alike. So as you can see, we already landed in Microsoft.com, and in this platform we are allowed to create an account, or if you have an account you are allowed to create an or log into your account. So if you scroll down, then you will find out information about your Outlook can change everything. Here you can see how easy the process was, and it is available on Mac, iOS, Android or Windows. Outlook is better with Microsoft 365. For home you can use this premium plan or you have this free plan, and we are getting in free plan like for one person Outlook email and calendar, web, desktop and mobile apps. Also core Outlook security feature, 15 GB mail storage, it is fuse, then 5 GB cloud storage and also web and mobile apps. Here if you go to the for business, then you can see we have $6 US monthly paid, and we are getting 1 TB of cloud storage per user. So let's go on to create an account. If you want to more about this one, you can go one by one. We have couple of options. You can read FAQ, how do I create Outlook account, or how I have a hotmail.com, live.com, amazon.com. Is that the same as Outlook? Yes, you can see that this account across all Outlook apps with this benefit that are similar. So you can read one by one. So I'm going to click on overview, and here I'm going to create an account. So the account creation is really simple. As you can see, they are asking for account. So let's ask, then click. So I already created account, so that for reason I'm going to sign in. Just click over here and I will paste my account, and already by default I got an account, I got an apps or application in my Microsoft Windows. So here you can see this is Outlook profile, and I already created an account. This is my account. I already get some mail over that place. So this is the option. If you ever use Gmail is so much popular right now. So if you ever use Gmail, then you can see it is simply look alike like Gmail. So here we have inbox panel, we have drafts panel, we have archive panels, and this is my account name. And here we have conversation access, then we have inbox, junk mail, draft and couple of more options like send email. So if I want to mail anything here, like let's go and send a mail to my mail address. So go over here and copy my Gmail account. For the purpose of applying, is it really possible to send mail towards this one using Outlook, and subject for particle view, and let's say hi, subscribe my channel, and let's click on the send button, and now I can see that our mail has been sent to this address. Let's go and check this out here. Yeah, you can see we can receive the mail from Outlook. So that makes a sense to using Outlook. And here you have delete items, archive and many more. you are allowed to go to groups option. Here you can easily create a group over that place. So here you can see this is the options. Let's go again, explore more, and you are allowed to add account too. Also you can see if you want to create an event like Notion, like you want to do any work tomorrow and you have a problem to forget, so right now you want to create an event so they can alarm you or notify you when the time will be arrived. So let's click on 27 and click on here, and in the 10 p.m. or am I want to create an event. Event name will be create a video Valde. No, I don't want Valde. Don't repeat. I can make it repeat, or it is 50 minutes before. Yeah, this may be good. Then search location. You can add location, add description. I have a channel on English learning, and I want to make a video on chat GPT with English. And now I am going to click on save here. Just click on save here. Now you can see our event has been created. So here we have more couple of options like people. Here you can see. Then we are allowed to access this long live platform. Let's go over here and say a quick note about your Microsoft account. Your importance is right here when you sign in, things like will be this. So click on OK. Like click on continue. So here you can see it already connected with your Outlook. Here you can create any word panel. Like click over here. So they give you the access of all Microsoft panel. Here you can see more apps like Groups, OneNote, PowerPoint, Excel, and many more. So let's go and check this out again. Here you can use your Microsoft document over that place, to-do list. So I am going to make a script, then video, edit, and then history, screen. This is my to-do list I am going to do in May 26th. If I complete it in, I will write over here. Just click and share. Click on share. Then it will take a while to give you the result. So let's go again Outlook. So we have the options here, many more. So it makes sense to use this panel. So let's go and see the result. Yeah, it's already done. So we are allowed to use it from that playlist. So I hope this complete tutorial help you to understand about Outlook, how Outlook works, and how you can use Outlook. If you think this video was knowledgeable for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.